Go, Bella. Come on. Hey, what are you chewing on? Come on. Hopping through. She stops when she hears a car, which is good. Okay. Let's go. Come on. I guess trees are good, huh? The trees taste good? Huh? We were really surprised to see the snow this morning. I love the way she runs. You eating the snow? Huh? I'm going to need a hairdryer after this. Huh? Come on, Bella. Come on, Bella. Bella, come. Bella. You going to go potty? Huh? You going to go potty? That would be really nice. That would be really nice. Where'd you go? It's kind of hard to find out here. Is there anything more joyous than a newborn baby or a newborn puppy? She is 9 weeks old.